Honorable President, I wish to read some paragraphs from the English version of your address to both the Houses of Parliament assembled together today, and the rest of the address may be considered as read. Honorable members, this joint sitting of the Parliament, which is being held during the time of the coronavirus pandemic, has great significance. It is the beginning of the new year and a new decade. We will also be entering the 75th year of India's independence this year. All the members of Parliament present here today embody the conviction held by every Indian that the toughest of challenges will deter neither us nor India. Whenever India has remained united, it has been able to attain even seemingly unattainable goals. This solidarity and Pujya Babuji's inspiration had given us freedom from hundreds of years of colonial rule. Echoing the same spirit, Assam Kesari, Ambika Giri Rai Chaudhary, the nationalist poet, said, Om Tat Sat Bharat Mata Ek Chetanat Ek Dhyanat Ek Sadhonat Ek Avegat Ek Hoija Ek Hoija. That is, India's grandeur is the ultimate truth in one single consciousness, one thought, one devotion, one inspiration. Let us unite, let us unite. This unity and dedication of Indians have enabled country to overcome multiple adversities. Our country has faced every crisis with fortitude, be it coronavirus, floods, earthquakes, or major cyclones in several states, locust attack or bird flu. The recent past also saw an unprecedented escalation in tension along the border. The nation stood together, battled crisis on multiple fronts, and surmounted every challenge. During this period, we will all have also witnessed unparalleled courage, endurance, discipline, and spirit of service of our countrymen. Honorable members, when we think of the preceding year, we are reminded of the twin challenges that faced us: saving the lives of the citizens and protecting the economy. Besides announcing a record economic package for reviving the economy, my government took care to ensure that no poor person went hungry. Under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, 80 crore people were provided an additional 5 kg free food grains for 8 months per month. We have also taken care of the plight of the migrant laborers, workers, and who were away from their homes, besides providing them with the facility of one nation, one ration card. The government made free food grains available and organized Islamic special trains for them. During this period, India has demonstrated scientific capabilities, technical expertise, and strength of startup systems by developing a network of over 2,200 laboratories in a short span, manufacturing thousands of ventilators, PPE kits, and test kits, thereby attaining self-reliance. It is a matter of immense pride that India is conducting the world's largest vaccination program. Both the vaccinations rolled out under this program are produced indigenously.
तो अब उपराष्ट्रपति बोल रहे हैं और इसी के साथ बजट सत्र। अभिभाषण राष्ट्रपति का पहले आपने सुना। उन्होंने न सिर्फ सरकार की उपलब्धियां गिनाई, बल्कि सबसे अहम बात जो उन्होंने कहा कि 26 जनवरी को जो कुछ हुआ वो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, कानून और नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए था।
TV9 भारतवर्ष और TV9 बांग्ला प्रस्तुत करते हैं पश्चिम बंगाल चुनाव पर सबसे बड़ा कॉन्क्लेव। What Bengal thinks today। देखिए 30 जनवरी दिन भर